Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix BlueStacks your offline error. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. If it's turned off, turn it back on and make sure you're connected to the internet. Then click on Advanced Network Settings. Here, select Network Reset. Now follow the on-screen instructions and restart your computer if prompted. After that, open Settings again and click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Once done, go back to the desktop and open the Run dialog box. Here type temp and click OK. Now delete all files in the folder. Skip any files that cannot be deleted. Then open the Run dialog box again. Here type %temp% and click OK. Now delete all files in this folder as well. After that, open the Recycle bin. Here click on Empty Recycle bin. Now open Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Here click on Settings. Now select Privacy and Security. Then click on Delete Browsing Data. Here choose the desired time range. Now check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. Once everything is completed, restart your computer and open BlueStacks again to check if the your offline error has been fixed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.